a million degrees outside. We're getting back on the boat, another boat project. Got a new acrylic Livewell lid. We're gonna trying to update the boat slowly, piece by piece, make it a little nicer. So I'm gonna show you all real quick what we got. So that's obviously the bottom, but nice clear acrylic, and we'll replace that. There's a blue light on the inside, so that'll look nice at night. It's a little windy today. I started taking them apart the other day. Just that and that. So I started taking it apart, and then I put the new one in, but I wasn't sure about the size because there were some gaps on each side of it. And I reached out to Trimmed Out Customs. I think it was Trimmed Out Ink, so I bought it from them. And they said that's how they design it, so it doesn't rub. So I got some shims to shim it out, but I just wasn't sure, and I didn't want to go drilling into that if it was wrong, you know. So, but they said that's normal. That's how it's supposed to be. So, all right, take your word for it. Get that one out of there. Get our new one. If you can see, it's got a little bit of a gap there and there if I have it pushed all the way over, but they said they designed it like that. So I'm just gonna shim it up. Got these little nylon washers. I'm gonna try and just use those to kind of evenly space around it. What's going on? Tell me about it. Okay. Those hinges are tight. I don't think they're square either. I'm gonna get a straight edge. I'll use the old Livewell lid, but yeah. Those are not square. The key with the acrylic is just go nice and slow. Don't put a lot of pressure. Just kind of let the drill bit do the work. Reveal yet. One, two, three. Hope those are long enough. Why do I do everything in the middle of the day when it's fucking 90 degrees outside? I don't know. I don't know. Because I'm dumbass, probably. It's the moment of truth. Oh. It works. The latch will hold it down. Oh man, I'm pumped. I thought it was gonna bind up. All right, let's do a little reveal. That's gonna go like that with those 2 screws. A very thin bead of silicone. That's backwards. Look straight. Snug. Oh, that's beautiful. And that's the final product. Very, very happy with that Livewell lid. Now, for the next project, we're replacing that fuel water separator, that bulb, and then to do some wiring on the bilge pump because that went out this weekend. So I'm going to show you all that here this week. Stay tuned.